Hey guys, Chris from CJ's Organic Gardening and Landscape Consultation. Well, as most of you know, this is the time of year where you have an overabundance of tomatoes. And we're going to be doing some homemade sauce for canning and probably some for tomorrow night's dinner. So we're going to be working through that process. If I happen to miss anything, I'll edit it up at the end and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I finally decided on a sauce recipe that we can. It's going to be a no peel. We're going to roast these tomatoes for approximately an hour, maybe a little more. They're going to go in at 425, and we're going to chop them into quarters like you see me doing here for the bigger brandywines. And then the Romas, we might just cut them in half and they'll be just about perfect. So by roasting them, we're bringing out a lot of the sugars, and then after that, they're going to go right into a blender or food processor, and you won't even know the skins are on there, and it adds a lot of nutritional benefits. So moving on, and we'll update shortly. So the wife and I made it through a bit of prep. She's got some brownies going in the oven, so it gave me time to get everything ready to do the roasting, and here's the results. So about an hour at 425, everything will be roasted up nicely, all the sugars will be coming out, and then we're going to do the blending and final seasoning in a pretty long cook-off. We're talking about 4 hours in a stock pot. And then we'll can some, and some's for our Sunday dinner. Getting ready to go in the oven to roast for an hour at 425. Brandywines, Romas, a few cherry tomatoes, and even a handful of plum tomatoes. So we're looking pretty good. The seasonings you see are oregano, black pepper, kosher salt, a little garlic powder, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just to make things roast nicely. So here we go. Everything's in the oven at 425. They're going to go for a little over an hour. I'll be checking these in about 30 minutes just to make sure everything's going as planned. And boy, is it nice and hot in here. So here we go. Going to start the sauce and then cook it off. Yes, we're using a blender. I'm going to pulse it until it's about the right consistency, and we'll go from there. Looks like somebody's making some edibles to me, but off to the pasta sauce. This smells absolutely amazing. We got about another hour and change before it cooks down, and tomorrow we'll be canning it up. Oh, more edibles.